So Perplexity Computer is making the news, which is a new digital working assistant, and it is also replied to OpenClaw. It will work like a digital assistant like we saw in last few days. OpenClaw was doing so many things and a lot of people are doing different things using OpenClaw. So now we have Perplexity Computer. You can see I've downloaded Perplexity app. So you have this by default search option here, and then just next to it, you have Perplexity Computer. And this looks very interesting. Let me show you some of the things what it can do. For example, you can see here, this is a website created by Perplexity Computer about S&P 500 companies holdings. And you can see this looks really nice. So imagine your boss told you to create a presentation or a website or anything on S&P 500. What you need to do is use Perplexity Computer and then go for a coffee outside. When you come back, you will see this website created on your screen automatically. You can see this looks really nice. And this is completely interactive. If I just click on communication services, it will exclude this. Consumer defensive, you can see in real time all the data is changing. So this is how you can imagine the Perplexity Computer works. It will be your digital assistant. So it will really save you a lot of time, and not just this, you can see a lot of other things were done here. And before we move forward, I highly recommend you, please subscribe to the channel. You want to stay updated on all these AI topics and tools. I create so many videos educating you about AI tools and other important tools which might be helpful for you. And subscribing is totally free. It just takes a couple of seconds and I would really appreciate that. Another example, if you want to create the website about Super Bowl scoreboard, you just tell Perplexity Computer and start doing your other works. And whenever you come back, you will have this completely beautiful website created. You can see here scoreboard, the viewers, and all data is taken from the recent data. So the data is very accurate. Of course, we have this problem with AI. Not all the time the data is 100% accurate, but yes, it is taking the recent data, whichever is available. You can see data visualization, everything is here. It is interactive. What a cool use case of this. Now, for example, you work in an attorney office and then your boss asks you to create a presentation about commercial contract negotiation training. What do? You can do any other work and Perplexity Computer will create a presentation for you. You can see it created 20 pages presentation, which is very professional. You can see how professional Perplexity Computer made this presentation. It will be a digital assistant. It can send emails for you. It can do all work for you like OpenClaw was doing for you. And you can see this is another task done by Perplexity Computer. You ask it to create a California auto insurance guide. It creates complete guide of 9 pages with all the data filled inside it. It looks very professional. It is not something like it is trying to do something. It will do all this thing for you. And not just it will give you information, it will create a PDF file for you. And some people might be confused. They think what is different with search and computer? The difference is when you ask search, it will give you answers and then you have to take action from the answers. You have to do some tasks. But when you use Perplexity Computer or OpenClaw or any other AI agent, it can use your computer, it can create file, it can delete file, it can modify file, it can use your browser. Perplexity Computer use Comet browser, which is the browser created by Perplexity company. I already created a video about it, how to use Comet browser. If you want to watch that video, check the link in the description. Who can use it and what you can do with it? So you can see here, when you go to Perplexity Computer, if you want to download this app, check the link in the description. I'll add a link to download the Perplexity app where you can use Perplexity Search and Perplexity Computer. So currently it is only available to Max plan users. So Max plan will cost you $176 per month and $1,760 per year, which is something I'm not going to choose because I already use Gemini Pro plans. So I'm not going to choose this option. But if you still want to know what you can do with Perplexity and you want to know that whether it is the right choice for you or not, what you can do, left side you see live examples. So these are live examples people are doing on Perplexity Computer. You can see how it is working and whether there is something you need to buy and you want to use for yourself. For example, let's take the example of the animated GIF of Tesla stock price timeline. If I click on this one, you can see this is simulation here from Perplexity. Even you do not have the pro plans, you have free plans, you can still use it. And you can see all this data, how it is working, what task it is performing. And then you can see what the thought process behind it. And you can see what AI model it is using. You can see it is using Gemini Flash 3. This is the best part about Perplexity, that it can use any model which it like, which is think perfect for the purpose of that task. For example, it can use Gemini, it can use Llama, it can use Cloud Code, it can use GPT-5, it can use GPT 5.3. So it is not dependent on one LLM. It can use any LLM model. And you can see here the task is performed in the end. And then if I click here, you can see this Tesla stock price 10-year journey. You can see the complete GIF is created and looks real nice. I think it can be useful for a lot of people who want to create this kind of animation, and it just did all this thing in just few minutes. Let's take one more example. If I click here, rent versus buy calculator website, you can see it will perform all the tasks from here, and then it take data from Reddit, from YouTube. It is doing all these things in real time, and now it is using, because it is about creating a calculator website, it is using Cloud Opus 4.6. And anytime you can just click on skip to end, so it will end the whole process, and you can directly click here to see the output. You can see the output here. It is a complete working calculator, and if you just click here on this view in full screen, it will go into full screen, and then from here you can make it full screen, and then now you can use this calculator. I recommend you people do not make this kind of low value website, rent versus buy calculator. They already exist a lot of websites, but use your own idea to create better things with Perplexity Computer. There's one more example, Huberman Fitness Tracker web. So I'm just going to click on skip to end. I don't want the whole process because it takes a lot of time. If I just click here, you can see it will open here. Now we'll open in a full screen mode. You can see it is a fully functional with the programs, with the timings, with the timers, everything is here. For example, if I go to Sunday here, Sunday is long endurance cardio zone 2, then you can start it. The timer is here, and then protocol is there, what you need to do, and also the science note, and then weekly overview you can see, and then you can click on generate report. It will generate a report also based on the task performed. It is a CSV file. You can see the fully functional thing, how beautiful it is working. I think Perplexity Computer is really cool product from Perplexity team. I wish them luck. If this video is useful and you want to stay updated with AI tools, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And now you want to watch a detailed video on how to create a website using AI and make money online, check this video on screen.